Hello and welcome to Ignite Portfolio Solutions' easy-to-use Excel-based project, program, and portfolio management tools. Thank you for taking the time out for one of our hotspot information overview videos. Today we are going to take a look at the Ignite Project Modeling Tool. So what is modeling? Modeling facilitates the capability to create rough order of magnitude estimates for potential projects. These estimates can be inserted into your existing portfolio plan, or your entire plan can be made up of models. Today we're going to take a look at a software development portfolio that needs a couple of point releases inserted into the plan. So let's take a look at models. So here's the insert point. The fact that we've got a spot to do models, let's put these models in. Step one is to define the overall duration of the project. 1 month for planning, 1 month for building, a couple of months for refining, 1 for test, and 1 for deployment. The second step is to add in the resource pool. You can see with the easy Excel process, it's very, very easy to drag human resources, to drag over expense resources. From an expense standpoint, you might expect additional marketing materials here at the end of the year, at the end of the project, so we'll throw 30,000 in from that standpoint. Half a PM, half a marketing person, half a architecture. We notice from a development standpoint, we're actually going to need some more individuals than that to help out with the project. And from a quality assurance, half person there. From a testing standpoint, we want involvement from the very beginning. And they're going to ramp up and start doing some test cases and those sorts of things, and we'll be very strong here at the end of the project, and then quite a bit of reporting. From an ops and operations standpoint, we want to make sure that those resources are in place also. And simply name the project. It's a point project, and in essence, you've completed establishing your first model. From this tool standpoint, it already has point releases, major, minor releases, hardware releases, and systems development at a platform level already inserted into the system. You can get a roll-up view from a finance and headcount standpoint, or you can go right down to the details. Let's take a look at how we insert those. So we have no models in here. We don't want to actually plan it because we know that that's been planned on the side as a model. So we're going to just insert a point release into the project for project 1 in this particular portfolio. We're going to go right ahead and do that immediately for a second project because we know that we have 2 small point releases that are going to lead up to a larger release. We're going to establish the release start dates or the project start dates for these. And what we're looking for is to maintain a 6-month release cadence at the release standpoint of the project. And you can see that we're starting to build into that. When we take a look at a milestone standpoint, we notice our point releases are leading into point releases, which may lead directly into a little bit larger project releases. So you can see how easy it is to take your model, insert it in the Apply Models area, and immediately it's translated into your plan. We thank you for taking some interest out today in our Hotspot Information Overall video. We hope that you found this tutorial useful, and have a nice day.